Station 51, Truck 105, structure fire, 200 5th Avenue, Cross Street, 23rd. We have a working fire. Let's roll.
Oh.
Is it okay? What is that?
Fly.
A fly? Is a fly sleeping?
Huh?
Is the fly night-nights?
Oh, dirty.
Maybe it's just dirty.
Hmm? Oh.
Is that the other part of the fly? Can you say happy
Happy.
birthday?
Pretty.
AJ,
It's a
how old are you going to be?
two. Whoa.
Are you a monkey?
Hmm?
Are you a monkey? Can you look out the window?
Huh? Huh?
Can you look out the window? Hello? Hello? Hi.
Cheese.
Look at Mommy and Cheese.
Cheese.
No, let's not climb. Really?
Apple juice.
Where's your shoe?
Huh? Wow. Wow.
What's on your foot?
Oh, this.
Messy?
This. Look. This. Oh.
What is that?
Yuck.
Yucky?
Yetties.
Okay, love.
I love. Bye.